But listen here, this is another part, that is the calculation of H plus and OH minus if the pH and pOH is given. It is also coming from the ionic equilibrium. If the H plus and OH minus is given, how to get the pH and pOH? Or if the sorry, if the pH and pOH is given, how to get the concentration of H plus and OH minus? See, example is here. We are having pH value 3.14 and they're asking to get the concentration of H plus. We should know this formula. Concentration of H plus is equal to 10 to the power of minus pH and pH equal to minus of log to the base 10 concentration of H plus. See, this value 3.14 is a value, it is nearly equal to 4. So this 4 minus 3.15, if you do, what we will get? We are getting as a 0.85. We are getting here as a 0.85. But this 3.15 is nearly equal to 4 and 4 minus 3.15 we are getting as a 0.85. So we can write in this way. This 10 to the power of minus 3.14, it can be written as 10 to the power of minus 4 into 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 0.85, because 10 to the power of minus 4, if the bases are same, so minus 4 plus 0.85 become a 3.15 I will get, and that to be minus 3.15 I will get. And if you solve it, we'll get the answer. But how to solve it? Listen here. How to solve it? It can be solved in this way. The concentration of H plus and we are having 10 to the power of minus 3.15. It can be written as 10 to the power of minus 3 and 10 to the power of 0.15. See, after 0.15 is there. So 0.15. Only one thing you do here, add the plus 1 and minus 1 on the either side. Means, let us say, I will put here minus 1 on this side. I'll put here minus 1 on this side. And I'll put here plus 1 on this side. So as it is a 0.5 minus 0.3, it should be, sorry, it should be minus 0.15. See, minus 3 minus 0.15 become a minus 3.15. What we did on this one, we put the minus 1 and here we put the plus 1. By solving this one, I will get 10 to the power of minus 4. And by solving this one, I will get 10 to the power of 0.85. Same thing we got here. But a 10 to the power of 0.85 ki value is equal to, if you solve this value, it is equal to 7. And this will become as it is. So answer, by solving this one, I am getting here as a 7 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So you are getting, sir, how you know the value of 10 to the power of 0.85 becomes 7? So come for here now. Log phi equal to 0.6990. That means log phi equal to 0.7. But when the log goes on this side, it becomes anti-log of 0.7. But anti-log of 0.7, right? Anti-log of 0.7 can be written as 10 to the power of 0.7. So 10 to the power of 0.7 become 5. In the same way, we are having log 7 value is equal to 0.85. But when this log goes on this side, it becomes anti-log of 0.85. Antilog of 0.85 can be written as 10 to the power of 0.85 and it becomes 7. So this is the answer we got, and hence it is just 7 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is a concentration of H plus when the pH is given 3.15. One more we'll try it. One more. Let us say example number 2. Now they gave, but as we know pH is equal to 3.15. So what is a pOH? Obviously 14 minus 3.15, it becomes 10.85. Means now indirectly they give pOH is equal to 10.85. Now they are asking, sir, get the concentration of H plus ion. But how to get the concentration of H plus ion when the pOH is 10.85? So first of all, pOH when they give convert into pH. pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. 14 minus 10.85, value is 3.85, and as the pH is 3.85, just now previously we did beta, concentration of H plus is 7 into 10 to the power of minus 4. I will do with some different value now. I will do with some different value. Let us say third one. I am having pH is equal to 2.52 and they are asking get the concentration of H plus ion. Same way what we did in the previous case, same way we have to write now also. See what we did here. Initially pH they gave, write the concentration of H plus ion. So I'm writing here. Concentration of H plus is 10 to the power of minus of 2.52. Same we did here also, see here. Then as we know minus 2.52 is a value, it is nearly equal to 3. So 3 minus 2.52 if we do 0.48. So it can be written as 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 0.48. But if do the minus means again, it should be plus 0.48 because minus 3 plus 0.48 become minus 2.52. We will get it. Now, this is 10 to the power of minus 3 as it is. Get the value of this one. Do you know? But a log 3 value equal to 0.4770. Take the log on this side, it become anti-log of 0.4770 can be written as 10 to the power of 0.4770 is a value 3. So it should be 3, and hence we can say, sir, concentration of H plus is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 normal. This is nothing but the normality of the acid, right? In the same way, suppose if they give the value of different value of pOH, I will say. Let us say example 4 mein, I am having value of pOH is 11.95 and they are asking get the concentration of H plus. So first of all get the pH of it. 14 minus pOH, 14 minus 11.95, that means it is equal to 2.05, 11, 12, 13 and 14. pH I got. pH is 2.05. The value is nearly equal to 3. So we can say concentration of H plus is 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 to the power of 0.05. But you know 10 to the, no, 2.05, approximately first you have to go with a 3. So 2.05. So we can say it is a 10 to the power of minus 2.05, which can be written as 10 to the power of minus 3 into 10, because 2.05 is a value nearly equal to 3, and you solve it, I will get 0.95. So 10 power of minus 3 and plus 0.10 power of 0.95. But at 10 to the power of 0.95 is a value we are getting nearly equal to 9, because I will tell you one simple example. You know, log 10 value is 1, then anti-log of 1 is equal to 10. That is, anti-log of 1 can be written as 10 to the power of 1. So become 10. But I have 10 to the power of 0.95 approximately equal to 1. So instead of that, we'll say the value less than 1, right? But here 10 to the power of 0.95 is there. 10 to the power of 0.95 means we can't take the log 10. Instead of that, 1 second, I will go with some other value. Uh, we can take log. See beta, log 5 equal to 0.7. No. Log 6, log 7, log 8, log 9 you do. Log 9 means log 3 square. That is 2 log 3. 2 into 0.4770. 2, 7, 14, 15, 9. Yeah. Log 9 is 0.9540. So, but a 9 anti-log of that value is nothing but the 9. So, 10 to the power of minus 3 into 9. Hence, concentration of H plus is 9 into 10 to the power of minus 3 normal. So, this is a way to calculate the uh, pH